Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're exploring the word anxious. It's a B2 level adjective, and it means feeling worried or uneasy. We often feel anxious when we're uncertain about something or when we're anticipating an event, like an exam or an important meeting. For example, you might say, "I'm feeling anxious about my presentation tomorrow." It's a common word that describes a specific emotional state. Some synonyms for anxious are nervous, worried, and uneasy. Let's see them in action. She was nervous before the big interview. He felt worried about being late to the airport. I'm a bit uneasy about meeting new people at the party. These words can often replace anxious in different contexts, though each has a slightly unique flavor. On the other hand, antonyms of anxious include calm, relaxed, and confident. For example, you might hear, "She stayed calm even during the stressful situation." After the yoga class, he felt completely relaxed. "I am feeling confident about the test after studying all week." These words reflect the opposite of that tense or uneasy feeling. In everyday life, anxious pops up in lots of situations. Imagine you're waiting for a friend who is running late. You might say, "I'm getting anxious waiting for them to arrive." Or perhaps you're about to perform on stage. "I always feel a bit anxious before stepping in front of an audience." It's also used to describe excitement mixed with nervousness, like, "I'm anxious to hear the results of the competition." Here are a few more examples to solidify the word. The team was anxious about the outcome of the game. Parents often feel anxious when their children start school for the first time. "I'm anxious about catching my flight on time." You can see how versatile and useful this word is. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Today, we explored the word anxious, which describes feeling worried or uneasy. We discussed synonyms like nervous, worried, and uneasy, and antonyms like calm, relaxed, and confident. We also looked at how to use anxious in everyday situations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's your challenge for today. Create your own sentence using the word anxious and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, take care and keep learning.